friends, welcome back to the code generator. This is your Nandini and I'm here with you today with a new video. But just before going to start, I would like to wish you New Year. So wishing a very happy and healthy New Year to all of you. Set your goals and achieve them. Stay safe and stay blessed. So yeah, happiest New Year to all my followers, to all my subscribers, and to all my viewers and whoever is watching my video today. Happy New Year! So yeah, let's start with the today's topic. As you can see my screen, today we are going to learn Java, math, and Boolean. So let's start with the small one, that is Boolean. So very often in the programming, you will need a data type that can only have one of two values, like yes or no, on or off, true or false. So like that, for this Java has Boolean data type, which can take the values true or false. So a Boolean type is declared with Boolean keyword and can only take values true or false. So let's not wasting time theoretically, and I would like to start practically. So I'll say Boolean is it can be anything. Is Java fun? And I would like to say true. And second one, I can, if you want, you can write anything. And I'll write, is chicken tasty? Yes. But only for the statement, I'll say false. And what if I would like to print this? I'll say print is Java fun and like that. Oh, I'll print the second variable and I'll save this and I'll just run it. So yep, Boolean is a data type, where is Java fun is a variable and true is the value that I'm assigning to this. So however, it is more common to return Boolean values from Boolean expression for conditional testing. So let's see the Boolean expression, something interesting. A Boolean expression is a Java expression that returns a Boolean value true or false. So for the Boolean expression, you can use any of the operators like that, like greater than operator, less than operator, equal to operator, double equal to, that is. Okay. So you can first I'll go with the greater than operator and I'll say if you don't mind, I'll just comment this because I would like to write the new one. String star slash. And I'll say int x is equal to 10 and int y is equal to 9. Okay. And as I said, I'm going to use greater than operator. So what I will say, x is greater than y. So it is going to check whether x is greater than y. If it is true, it will print true. If it is false, then it will print false. So let's see. So yep, x is greater than y because the value of x is 10 and the value of y is 9. So 10 is greater than 9 because so that is why it prints true. And next one, I'll say equal to sign. So it will check for the condition and according to that, it's going to print. So of course, x is not equal to y because 10 is not equal to 9. So it will print false. Or otherwise, simply I can check like this. 10 is equal to 9. I'll just save this. And of course, 10 is not equal to 9, so it will print false. So that's it for the booleans. So next I'm going to start with the math. The Java math class has many methods that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. So Java math is one of the important topic for the Java developer in building the logics, a small logics, or it can be a big logics also. So there are different methods the Java method has. Mm, so the first one I'll go with, okay, I'll start with the fresh line and I'll say the first method math.max x comma y. So what it will do? So the math.max in bracket x comma y method. This method can be used to find the highest value of x and y. And I'll just try to print, and instead of x comma y, I'll say 6 comma 11. So math.max method will check for these two numbers and it will print the maximum value of these two. So yeah, between 6 and 11, 11 was the maximum number. That's why it prints 11 as an output. And the next method is math.max. Sorry, math.min. So it will print the minimum number of these two. So let's see it very simply. And instead of max, I'll write min and I'll say 6 comma 11 again. You can use anything. So yeah, the minimum number of these two is 6, and the next method is math.square root. That is sqrt in the bracket x comma y. So what it will do? It will returns the square root of the x. Sorry, it will return the square root of x. So I'll say square root of 64. So yeah, what it will print? It will print the square root of 64 is 8. So it will print 8. And the next method is math.abs, that is absolute number. So what it will do? It will returns the absolute positive value of x. So let's see the example for this. And let's say minus 6.98, something kind of like that. So what it will do? It will print the absolute positive number for the minus 6.89, and it is okay. I just missed the method, my mistake, sorry. So that is why it prints like that, math.dot abs in the bracket. I've already written the value. I'll just complete the bracket and it's done. So it will print the positive absolute number for 6.8. And the next method and the last method is random numbers, but very important, that is random numbers. So what math.random method will do? Let's write one. The math.random returns a random numbers between 0.0 and 1.0. So let's see for that what will be the output, and I'll say math.random open close, that is the brag method, and it will print the value, random value from 0.0 to the 1.0. And to get more control over the random numbers, you can, for example, you only want to print random number between 0 and 100. Then what you can do, you can write like you can initialize a variable called as random int, and let's say just cast this int math.random, and just multiply this with 101. That's it. And you're going to just print this variable, that is random int. So what it will do, it will print the values between 0 to 100. So it is 75, which is the value from 0 to 100. If I'll run again, it is going to print another value. So the random numbers it will print, see, again 0 to 100, and it is 95. So like that, the random method was like this. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any value, or if you, sorry, if you have any doubts in these two things, that is Boolean and math, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can find me at code generator 1115, or you can drop me a mail directly on the python code 1115@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see in the next video. Bye bye.